The Karnataka government has suspended senior IPS officer K. Ramchandra Rao after videos allegedly showing him in obscene and compromising positions with women went viral on social media. The government has also made it clear that dismissal from service is possible, depending on what the ongoing inquiry finds. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara said the incident had brought embarrassment to the entire administration. This incident has caused embarrassment to the department. Such incidents are a matter of shame, not only for the police department but also for other departments, he said. Confirming the suspension, Parameshwara added that a detailed inquiry would follow. During the suspension period, Rao is barred from leaving headquarters or performing any official duty without written permission from the state government. The viral video in question showed the suspended DGP K. Ramchandra Rao with either one or multiple women. It is not confirmed if there was only one woman. The women's faces are blurred in footage circulating online. It is unclear if the women are colleagues or someone from outside. Rao is seen sitting in his office and being touchy with the women who are standing beside him in the 47-second video that seems to have been shot over multiple days. Both Rao and the women are seen wearing multiple outfits in the clips which are stitched together. All of the videos are shot in similar angles and take place in the same room. Apart from these videos, audio clips have also surfaced in which Rao is allegedly heard having romantic phone conversations with a woman. An investigation is underway to verify the authenticity of the videos and audio recordings. Authorities are also trying to identify who recorded and leaked the footage. Rao has completely denied the allegations, calling the videos false and fabricated. Speaking to reporters, he said, "I'm also thinking how and when it happened and who has done it." He claimed the footage was 8 years old, recorded at his office in Belagavi during an earlier posting, and said it had been morphed. He also said he was not aware of any attempt to extort money from him using the videos. The controversy has once again put the spotlight on the gold smuggling case involving Rao's daughter and Kannada actress Rania Rao. Rania Rao is currently lodged in Bengaluru Central Jail after being arrested on March 3 in a sensational gold smuggling case. She was accused of smuggling 324 kg of gold from Dubai last year. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence imposed a total fine of 271 crore rupees on Rania and three other accused. Rania alone has been fined 102 crore rupees for smuggling 127 kg of gold. The Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act 1974 has been invoked against her, which makes her ineligible for bail for at least 1 year. The case is currently under investigation by multiple central agencies, including the DRI, the Enforcement Directorate, and the Central Bureau of Investigation. Earlier, K. Ramchandra Rao himself had come under scrutiny for allegedly helping his stepdaughter in the gold smuggling operation. Following these allegations, the Karnataka government formed a special investigation team led by a senior IS officer to probe his possible involvement. At the time the gold smuggling case came to light, Rao was heading the Karnataka Police Housing Corporation. He was sent on compulsory leave and later transferred as DGP of the Directorate of Civil Rights Enforcement. Senior BJP MLA and former Law Minister S. Suresh Kumar described the alleged acts shown in the videos as an unforgivable crime. Opposition leaders have demanded swift and strict action, citing both the viral video controversy and the earlier smuggling allegations. The Karnataka government has said that further action against Rao will depend entirely on the findings of the inquiry, including verification of the videos and audio clips. For now, Rao remains suspended, facing serious questions that could determine whether he continues in service or is dismissed altogether.